Hey guys, Jaden here, and today I'm doing an unboxing for the iPhone 15. It just came out today, it officially launched today publicly, and I had it pre-ordered, and here, I got it right here. Right now I'm coming from the 12th, I have an iPhone 12 I'm recording on, so this is going to be an upgrade. I got the dark blue, the 256 gigabyte option. Let's see, we got, you can feel it right here. This is iPhone in blue. All the attention to detail. I gotta appreciate it. Gotta tear these things off. Now you're gonna open it. Okay. Okay, I see it. Take the phone out. And we got the USB-C braided cable. Hopefully it's got a charger, I think so. Then we got the designed by Apple in California. Whatever this is. Another paper and Apple sticker. I'm gonna hold on to all this stuff. See, I've had my iPhone 12 for 2 years now, and the speakers don't work, so I really need a new one. And with 15 coming out, let me just get that. Yeah, dark blue, 3 cameras, dynamic island, which you can't see because it's not on yet. And I got a case for it. I bought this case in advance, so I can already have it when I got the phone. Right here. Now I need to get a screen protector so I can protect the screen. And ooh, got the action button, I forgot to mention that. And now we're gonna turn it on.
Getting a gift for your friend is thoughtful, but making one is arguably even more so. This leads us to the time Patrick made a new net for SpongeBob. In the episode The Pig Purloiner, SpongeBob thinks Patrick has stolen his jellyfishing net, all reliable.
Hello.
After a jellyfishing trip, he's not unfounded in thinking this.
I'm gonna go ahead and set this up, I'll be back later.